Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the different tasks about the Azure DevOps and AWS. In the current series in ML Ops, we are discussing the generative AI application and development and its deployment on the Azure Kubernetes. In part 3, we shall discuss the more in-depth knowledge about the generative AI. If you need any help about the training of Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, at Azure, please contact on this WhatsApp number or you can message me on the channel. All the video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Let's start the part 3 of this series ML Ops, in which we shall deploy an application on the Azure Kubernetes after covering all its theory about the generative AI and AI especially. In part 3 of this series, today I shall explain about the type of AI, because for the AI engineer it is mandatory to know about the type of AI so that he can apply the different type of AI to the application according to the requirement of the office. So right now there are three types of the AI. AI can be categorized in three main types based on the capabilities. The first type is the artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. In this type of the AI systems are designed to perform specific tasks for a narrow set of tasks. These systems excel at the tasks they were trained or but cannot perform beyond their design. This is the most important sentence that we should know about the artificial narrow intelligence. Perform beyond their design. Cannot perform beyond their design. It means that the application in ANI will perform only according to our trained data. Example for such type of application are span filters, image recognition system by detecting faces in the photos, and the voice assistant in this. So this in this type of the artificial intelligence we can develop the application like this. The second type of AI is the artificial intelligence AGI. This is the most important type of the AI. That definition, AI refers to a AI system that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks, much like humans do. AI can transfer knowledge from one domain to another domain. In the current status, we are not using this. It means area of active research and is often considered holy grail for the artificial intelligence. This is the second type of the artificial intelligence, and it is very important. Every AI engineer should know this. The third and the last of the type of artificial intelligence is the ASI, artificial super intelligence. In ASI represent a level of intelligence that superpowers human intelligence in every aspect. Reasoning, problem solving, creativity. It is a hypothetical a concept that AI could potentially evolve into the where it might outperform human across all the cognitive tasks. So the current sector is still a theoretical concept. Theoretical working are in progress on this type of the AI, and many experts debate its likelihood, timeline, and potential implementation. So these are the three types of AI that I have discussed. Now, in the next section of this, I shall explain the different AI techniques and subfield. Artificial intelligence has a subset or a subfield known as machine learning, ML. ML is the subset of the artificial intelligence, a subset of AI where the system learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. It involves training algorithm to recognize pattern and make predictions. In ML, we trained the data and improve the performance of the system. Types of ML is supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model is trained on our labeled data, input, output pairs. We give the input and we get the output. The next type of ML is unsupervised learning. The model pattern unlabeled data. The third one is reinforcement learning. The model learns by interacting with the environment and receiving feedback. What are the penalties? These are three types of ML that we should know for the working in the AI field. So, in the artificial techniques and subfield, the first one is the machine learning. After that, the second one is the deep learning. I would like to explain the deep learning. In the deep learning, there are many layers for the optimizing the data and come to the result very close to the real result. So we call it as deep learning. A subset of machine learning based on a neural network that are composed of multiple layers. Multiple layers mean we optimize the data from one layer to another layer, from second layer to third layer, and so on. So we have to work for the result very close to the original result. It's particularly good for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and game playing. Example of this techniques and deep learning is the convolutional neural networks for image processing. The second one is the recurrent neural network or NN for sequence prediction such as in speech or text generation. So the first one is the machine learning. The second one is the deep learning. I have also explained why we call it deep learning due to the number of layers in this type. The third one is the natural language processing, NLP. NLP focus on the interaction between the computer and the human language. It follows AI to understand, interpret, and generate human language. In NLP, we create the application of this type, like the chatbot, customer service agent. We can also create the customer service agent for our use in office, and the translator, Google Translator, for example, and text summarization is these are the example of the application that we can develop by using the NLP techniques. So the next one is the four technique that we can use, and it is very important. This technique is very important. Computer vision. What is the computer vision? We shall explain it shortly. AI system that enable machine to see and interpret the visual world. Computer vision involves processing, analyzing image or video to extract meaningful information. The application for in computer vision are face recognition, object detection, autonomous vehicles, recognizing pedestrian road sign its. So in computer vision, we will develop the application in the area of face recognition, object detection, and autonomous vehicle. So these are the different area that we shall use the computer vision of AI, computer vision technique of AI to develop the applications. The next one is the very important. We are implementing this in most of the field today, like the robotics, AI techniques and subfield. Robotics is another AI techniques and subfield. Robotic is the branch of AI focused on designing robots that can carry out tasks autonomously. AI is robotic enable robots to perceive their environment, make decisions, and perform actions like work like a human. Application in the robotic area are industrial robots, drones. The different countries are developing drones by using this techniques, AI techniques. And the other one is the autonomous vehicle, self-driving car. Self-driving car are also the part of the robotics. So right now we are discussing the AI techniques and the subfield, and the fifth one is the robotics. Up to this point, we have discussed the AI types and its technique that we shall use in the different area of artificial intelligence according to the requirement of the client. So in this part 3, we have discussed the type of AI and the AI technique and subfield and the different application example that AI techniques covered. So in the next part of this series, we shall share more worthy knowledge for the artificial intelligence engineer in the coming part of this series. See you in the next part of this series. Wish you good luck for your career.